a Lambrusco Negroni. So a Negroni is a very classic Italian drink, which is gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth. I am going to replace the gin with Lambrusco, which is it's red champagne, basically. It's a red sparkling wine.
It's red sparkling wine.
Right. It's not champagne, technically, but it's a red sparkling wine. And this is a really easy, fun drink to make.
But this was so popular. Lambrusco was so popular back when we were kids.
Yeah, in the 70s.
And it's coming back now. Like, there's a lot of great winemakers working on terrific Lambruscos now.
And this drink is really easy to make. You make it right in the glass and fill a rocks glass with ice. And then you add pretty much equal portions or equal parts of Campari, which...
Campari is the bitter liqueur that is used in Negronis,
it's like like a really bitter grapefruit. It's great flavor.
You could use Aperol, like a lot of people love Aperol Spritz. That's a much lighter version.
It's lighter
of
and
Campari.
sweeter and lower in alcohol. And this is red vermouth. You add that.
Red vermouth, vermouth in general, period. Vermouth is just fortified wine. So you're using two different types of wine with the spirit Campari.
Right. And then if you were making a classic Negroni, you'd add gin, but I'm going to add... Look at that color. That's really pretty.
It's really gorgeous, isn't it? It's like really beautiful for the winter months and for the holidays.
And then
gorgeous.
I'm almost not going to stir that because it looks really cool with the sort of layering effect.
Well, stir one, and then they can see the effect.
Okay. I'm going to stir one.
It comes out like a ruby. It's gorgeous.
And then I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of orange zest or orange peel. And what's cool about this is if you just
do it over the glass,
regular vegetable peeler right over the glass, and then twist the skin side down and drop it into the glass, and you get those oils like expressed right into the drink.
Beautiful.
Giving an orange flavor.
Gorgeous, honey. Cheers.
Cheers, hon.
I will give it a sip. Oh, it's lovely. The Lambrusco is so fabulous.